Hey guys, Property Point Customs here. If you follow my channel, I do a lot of videos on antique gaming, tractors, vehicle maintenance, home renovation items, and whatnot. One of the important things to part of my channel and my daily routine is my Bosch Tassimo. It's a T46 is the model coffee maker. I've had this since 2012 and this thing has worked phenomenal. I've had probably thousands and thousands of coffees through this machine. So for people that aren't familiar with it, it takes pods, and what happens with the pod, there's actually a barcode scanner that actually reads the barcode on your Tassimo pod. That's what a pod looks like. This is a chai latte, and what that does, it actually adjusts your coffee maker to the proper temperature, water volume, and the water amount when brewing your coffee. In the back of the coffee maker, this is where you put your water. Now I use filtered water, Brita water. They do have a filter that actually fits right in there. I actually took it out because, again, I use filtered water from my Brita water maker. Those filters are a little pricey, and I figured I have the Brita, so I may as well use that. Overall, the only thing I've had to do with this is descale it every couple months, and you'll actually notice that because it will actually come up with a descaling light on the front of the Tassimo coffee maker. Other than that, every once in a while you actually have to clean off. Right here is where it reads the barcode. You got to clean that off because sometimes you get some coffee grounds and residue on that. So how you use the coffee maker, you turn it on. See, you'll have an orange light, which means it's ready to put the tea disc in. So you just put it in like that. There's little notches, as you can see. It fits right in here. You take the top cover, and it's actually up a little bit. Push down, and it locks in, and the light turns green, meaning it's ready to brew. So I'm brewing a chai latte. So you put your coffee cup under. Once you have your coffee cup under, just press the silver button. You can see the green light will start flashing and it will start brewing. One nice thing I prefer with the Tassimo machine over the Keurig is I don't leave this on. I only turn it on when I want to use it. And it starts brewing within seconds compared to the Keurig that takes a minute or two to actually warm up. That's just a noise putting the remaining water through the tea disc. And once it's done brewing, this will actually turn this light on. If you want to add additional water through the tea disc, however, this is a latte, and it's almost like making a hot chocolate. Uses a sugar powder and whatnot. So if you want to actually fill up your coffee to make more coffee, just hold down that button when the light on this side turns on. Just like that. So if I wanted to put more water in here, all I do is press this button down. Might take a little longer because this is a latte again. And it will add additional water, and once it's done, it will switch over to here. And at this point, done brewing, I'll typically just turn the machine off, and you're going to get a little steam because I turned it off a little too soon. And that's it. You can see it's empty, and I made a delicious cup of chai latte, and this is delicious. Anyways guys, just thought I'd make a quick video on a review. Again, I've had this over 7 years. It's worked phenomenal. I'll use it till the day it doesn't want to work anymore, and then I'll probably end up getting another one. Again, I've had no issues other than I just have to descale it every couple months. Other than that, it's works great. And I also wash my water reservoir every once in a while too. If not, it will get a little dirty in there. So, and just give it a quick exterior clean too. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.